Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. You can see that we're just outside Best Bargains. We're going to take a little walk around, see Wagwan for 2026. So here we are outside Best Bargains. Hello mate. Outside Best Bargains here. We're going to take a little walk. Look at these, there's Andy here. You alright? Yeah, I'm good. We're going to go meet up at Friends in about 20 minutes if you want to be. Friends. Round that way, just before Mr. Cheap, before that, on the right hand side. Yeah, alright. See you in a minute. Yeah, I know. So there we go. That's Andy and Rachel. So you got Alibaba Bazaar. You get everything in this one. Sunglasses, what are they? 1 for 13. Not too bad. Oh, look at the Bob Marley top there. I'm gonna have to get myself one of them. It's lovely at the moment. Like, when we came in September, I was walking around, I was sweating out. I couldn't. So hot in September. That's what I wanted. I wanted to come when it was so hot. I missed the sun. And what's that? Look at this Jamaica one here. Hello. Look at this one here. It's a new Jamaica one. So I'm gonna come back and get this. Okay? How much are the football tops?
£15.
How much?
£15.
£15. Okay. So these are all £15, guys. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna come back and get one. Thank you. From London. London? Yeah. Thank you. So let's keep going. Last year I was looking for a Jamaica top and nobody had one. This year everyone's got Jamaica tops. So happy days. Get myself some. Coming up to Lineker's up here on the right. I think we're going to turn right before Lineker's. Because I know if I keep going, there's nothing. So you've got Oscars across there. A few others. You've got the BIM. This is like basically another version of Migros. I think I'm going to go right. Let me just quickly show you if anything else. You've got stock across there as well. No, let's keep going down. Come on. You can see, look, there's your prices. Cocktails, buy one, get one free. So that's Lineker's. And we've got another Migros over there. In the far distant. Okay, this one here. It's got a pool at the back. Hello, you okay?
Where are you from?
London. Oh, Wagwan Tours, YouTube. There you go. No problem. You're going and go on. See you later. So you got East Tattoos here with this £5 shop. It's good, £5 for a t-shirt. I think that guy turning that football shirt for 15. It's not too bad, I think. That's a big bus. I haven't seen a big bus before. Is that like an airport bus? One day I will take a bus from here. For some reason, sometimes you think it's not that expensive, but paying £80 for a transfer there and back is not bad. But what's the bus? Tenner? Yeah, is it going to be longer? Obviously it's going to be longer. But is there much difference, you know? What's half an hour? But the flights out, for some reason, every time you get a flight out to Dalaman, it bloody takes... Well, not bloody takes, sorry. It's always late at night. So you don't have the day. You lose a whole day when you're travelling here. Which is a bit of a bummer, isn't it? You always want that first day. But you lose it. So what's that, durian? Durian and Migros across the road. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it and then get down the end of this road. So cut back to me in a minute, guys. Right, let's keep going. So we're outside the Celine Hotel, and there's a lovely little convenience shop just there. So you ain't got to go too far if you want to get your waters. They've got a slide, everything. There's always a bit of music going on there in the daytime, everything. You got Icmeler here. It's our good friend Icmeler. This is getting refurbished at the moment. So keep an eye out for this one to be fully open soon. Not long. Already in time for summer. We're coming back there to have a little chat with him later on. Before we head out to Rhodes tomorrow. Got an early boat. I think it gets us there at about 9 AM. It says you've got to be at the port an hour before, so we get to the port at 7. Get there at 7, have a coffee or whatever. Oh, check this one, it's very beautiful. Flowers all in bloom at the moment. So this little bar as well, this one's open. Came past last night. But these ones are all off the main road, so if you're staying in one of these off the main road places, these are little local bars, open up. It's like 12, I think, 1 AM. Depending if there's a lot of people out, then they will stay open later. But we're gonna head down here. I haven't got a lot of space left on this phone actually, I need to make a bit of space. But yeah, we're heading to friends. And then we're gonna go and do a little bit of shopping. So keep your eye out for the shopping video. I'll show you all the prices and all the different places. What's new, what's the new designs. So you see. This one's Mr. Tube. This was the main one for Mr. Tube. We're going to come back later, have a chat and see what I'm going. You alright?
Alright.
I'm coming back, yeah?
Of course.
So yeah, Mr. Tube's is massive, massive shop. Everything you need, from bags to handbags, from belts, everything. And this one's Broadway on the corner. You got Florida just here. We'll check it out. Morning. Morning. This is a good little taxi rank as well. When you need to get yourself home. We could do it in a crossover, not to get run over. Check out this is the little picturesque part here. Everyone takes a picture here. At night time, it's all lit up, looking beautiful. Got bamboo down there, but I'm going to go down there in another video. And here you have Broadway. Hello, mate. Yeah, you? Good. So yeah, everybody enjoying themselves, having a coffee. You're alright. Everyone's scared of the camera. So yeah, just coming up to friends now. So across the road you've got Sport in Love Boat. Really, it's really nice in Love Boat at night time. I really like that one. It's beautiful. We'll come up to friends here. So guys, thanks for watching. This is Wagwan Tours. We're here, Icmeler. And what I do? I'll catch you on a very next video. Thanks for watching, guys.